How to fix Facebook connection lost. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your Facebook. Go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option, and here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. And what's next step you need to do? You have to go to storage, click on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now you have to go to battery, and you have to click on optimize it, and then go to your airplane mode. You have to allow it and disallow it after, and then your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.